Hi everyone, welcome back to Glory Heart. And if this is your first time, I welcome you. My channel is often about uplifting the souls in the 144,000 from the 12 tribes of Israel, and about offering the word that the Father offers me. Sometimes it is a word of warning, but also of preparation for what's to come. Tonight or today, I'm not quite sure when I'm going to post this, God is offering me a position to offer a bit of healing on my channel, to help the chosen ones and to rise up the elevations of songs of hope. This is going to be a part of our communion within our Father, to offer elevations in our voices with songs of deliverance and hope. And so the Father is asking me to offer a sound for the 144,000, a sound of hope. A sound of hope. Amen. So I'm just going to deliver it. It's a sound of healing. It's a sound that many of you may not recognize yet, but it's still a sound that is being offered from the heavens also to be able to propose to you a better form of life now within the heavens of your Creator. And so I'm just going to use my vessel through sound as I reconnect to the sound frequencies of the heavens of Yah. And I'll be offering you a sound to help you heal, to help you ponder on more of the light of Yahweh, and also help you in your liberation process, chosen ones, and all souls who are ascending. I welcome you. Thank you for being here. Here's the sound offer. May it heal your heart. May it help you and transform you towards your true light existence. Amen. This is a sound to offer a progressive healing offer, a sound to help the chosen ones get more light, receive more light within their souls. Thank you for those who are able to receive this sound. Thank you for those who are desiring to treat the sacred sounds of heaven as a beautiful, honorable gift of life for the soul. Thank you for respecting this sound.